Gentle Giant Moving Company Review, Usage Experience. Links to products and services mentioned in this video are available in the description below. Gentle Giant Moving Company is a highly rated moving service known for reliability, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. Specializing in local, long-distance, and even international moves, they cater to individuals, families, and businesses looking for a stress-free relocation experience. Their services include packing, unpacking, and custom crating for fragile or high-value items. They also provide climate-controlled storage options for short-term or long-term needs. A standout feature is their well-trained full-time moving crew, not seasonal workers, ensuring consistency and expertise. Their teams are praised for punctuality, careful handling of belongings, and efficient loading and unloading processes. Gentle Giant Moving Company is ideal for those seeking premium service, particularly if you have delicate items like artwork, antiques, or heavy objects like pianos that require extra care. They use eco-friendly materials for packing and offer virtual estimates to streamline the process. Their transparent pricing ensures no hidden fees, a significant advantage in an industry often plagued by unexpected charges. Customer feedback frequently highlights their professionalism, friendliness, and ability to handle complex moves, including navigating tight spaces or unusual circumstances. While Gentle Giant's pricing may be higher than budget movers, their service quality justifies the cost for those who value reliability and attention to detail. If you're planning a move and want peace of mind, Gentle Giant Moving Company is worth considering. Let us know your thoughts or experiences with them in the comments. For more details and to book their services, check the links in the description below.